Okay, so let's continue with the Snowden project. I'm working on the plumbing copy. This link comes with Revit, and I brought it into my model. And here's the link. Here's the Snowden project link. I'm gonna turn it on, and this is the bathroom that they've created the plumbing for. Let's take a better look at this. 1/2. Yeah, okay. So that's the sanitary. The green is the sanitary. And I don't know if I'm gonna draw this as close as I can, but it doesn't have to be exactly. But I think I'm gonna use this riser. Okay, here's the riser for the plumbing. And let's take a look at that riser. Let's go to the view. Let's go here, go to view. And we are here. It's the 4th, 5th level. Yeah, okay. So that's how they're plumbing. That's the riser, okay. Let's see, what have I got on here? Let's see, okay, plumbing. Let's turn everything off. Doesn't make a big difference, but anyway, that's the Snowden link that I am going to use as a guide. But I don't think I'm gonna make this connection. That's too much of a small angle. I don't know if that's 22. I know you can make a 22-inch fitting, but I don't think that's 22. It might be. Let's see, DL. Let's go here. Let's go here. Let's go here. Let's do this. Rotate in place here. Let's go 22. And it might be. Nope. No. Okay. I'm not going to do that. There's many ways you can design this, but I think the critical area is the riser, okay? Because that takes a lot of study. Let's take another look at this. I'm going to turn off the Snowden plumbing link. And what we can do is, what's this? Turn that back to an 8 so we can see what's going on. I'm going to copy this riser and put it right there. Let's see, that's SS. Okay, system type sanitary sewer. Okay. Yep, guys, this is the real world stuff. We're not just out here changing the color of the pipes and connecting fixtures and inserting fixtures, which is, it's all good, but in the real world, and when you got a deadline at 5 o'clock on Friday, this is gonna take you over the top. When you learn how to use Revit the way it was designed to be. I'm using this to see what's below. I know that there's a 4th level below. I want to see if my riser, okay, so I can go down. This is the 4th level, and that's the 3rd level. So the linked view, the Snowden project, chose to use that instead of this wall to go down. So let's go back and do this. But I can't make that connection. You see, it's offline. This I can't make this connection. It's offline. So I'm gonna go back to the wall and then connect into. But I'm gonna bring this 3-inch off of. I gotta make sure that guy is in line too. Okay, so let's rotate this in place, and we are gonna go 90 here. Let's take a look. Give my reference. I can turn off the linked plumbing, and I think I'm above. More? Yeah. Okay. So let's go down. So, because I want to make that connection, the first connection. You see, let's turn on some other pieces of information. Let's say HVAC, structure. Let's make sure that everything's cool. Nothing is in the way. That's why this should be as tight as possible when you're looking at your section views. You want to make that tight in there because you don't want to look at information that's out here and it's probably, let's see what's out here. Okay, so there's some structural information. It's probably, but you can pick up information that's not relevant to what you're doing. Because I can still see this vent, this sanitary riser, but there's also, you see, there's also HVAC, and well, maybe this is going through it because we're here, right? We're here, but because I have my section so wide, it's in this zone somewhere. So if I turn on the view, let's turn on HVAC. Okay, so it's back here. It's not even close. It's way back here somewhere. But I'm picking it up because my zone is so large. So I want to decrease that as much as possible. I could always turn on and see if I have any kind of, see what's the best route. And that's another option you can do. But in this case, I'm gonna tighten this guy up as much as I can. You can use the slider. You can use this slider when you can. And sometimes if you want to, you can go over and pick this guy up, or the far clip offset. This is far clip offset here. And you can manipulate these however you want. You can make that 1 inch so it changes its how far it clips. So we can go, let's go 0.6. Okay. So now when I look at the view, okay, so there should be nothing there. So I know I'm okay. So that's one way you want to, in the real world, you're gonna have to put up with those issues. So let's make sure that I'm in line with this riser. Let's go down here. Make sure the slope is good. Here. Here. Let's fill it. I think I'm gonna erase this part because I'm gonna need to put another fit in there. Let's fill it. Okay, so it's good. I like it. Okay, so we are going here. Let's go back 3 inch because we're gonna pick up the washer and dryer and the shower with this 3 inch pipe. I'm gonna bring this down and make this fitting. Uh-oh, what happened? What happened? Okay. Okay, so that's not the right fitting I want. I want this Y combination going the other way. So that's that. I'm gonna, okay, synchronize this. And for my two, so in plan view we have that. And for my, and that's our extension. I can put a cap on the end of this. That's not going to show because I'm in a different zone. So I'll just put a cap on the end of this. Sometimes when you can't see, when it won't pick up and you know it's there, you can always go to, do I have it on wireframe? I have it on wireframe. So in here, oh, okay, I'm picking it up. Okay, I just need to be a little patient. So we have that. Let's do some more. I want to go here. Let's stay in here and pick up my similar, and I'm going to go here. I'm going to create a standpipe for my wash and dryer. Let's make this a little bit more usable. It's way out here. Look at this. I don't like that. So we come here. Let's go down. Let's come down. Let's bring this guy up. This has to be done. You're going to do this in the office. This is just going to happen. That is just going to happen. Now I know a lot of you guys want to make sure that maybe I can turn this red, or maybe I can turn this from blue to green. Well, there are videos out there like that, but it's not going to help you at 5 o'clock on a Friday when the project is due. Okay, so let's do this standpipe. Okay, come over here. Let's look at this guy, and I'm gonna bring this up. Should be a 2-inch. I make it a 2-inch, still 3-inch, 3-inch, 2-inch. So I want to bring this down. Come down and create a trap primer. I'm just constructing it now. Okay. And erase. And use my shift arrow key to go up. And I'm just going to put it about right in there, somewhere behind the washer and dryer. Okay. So it's behind the washer and dryer. However it's going to happen, it's just a dramatic, it's grammatic, so it's just not real world. So I'm not going to worry about it being exact. But the connections I'm going to try to get as much as possible. So we go down. Okay. And from here, what you can do, you want to grab it in your section view. So when you go to your plan view, you can draw it at an angle. So you go here, draw your pipe. Now go back to your floor plan. Click on your the end of your node of your pipe, which is here. Okay, and now you can draw your arrow to your main pipe, which is going to be 45 degrees. Okay, so that's that. And now what you can do, let's see. I think I need to align it, right? I need to align it, so I can align it from here. This is what I was thinking. Didn't know if I could get that angle, but we have that angle, and we can just go here, here, and we're good. And I don't slope in this area. Again, I do not slope in these tight bathroom quarters because it's a pain when you're trying to slope and something moves, meaning something gets relocated. Then you have to do it all over again. When all you have to do is just do a straight pipe, no problem. Come here and you just go right in. Okay. So let's see if we can look at our view. Let's take a look at our 3D view. Let's take a look at our 3D view. Okay, so that's what we just did. Let me synchronize. You want to synchronize as much as possible. As much as possible. So where are we? We are like, How is this? Okay. The wash and dryer is on the other end. Okay, so it's on this end. Okay. So that's how we are, okay? So you pick up your washer and dryer, connect it to the main pipe, which is connected to the toilet or water closet, and you are on your way. And I'm gonna do the same for the shower. And then we have a kitchen sink here. We have a lavatory and a kitchen sink over here that all needs to be connected. And we are going to go down this riser. Go down this riser. Okay, so that needs to have let's put a cap on that. And I may need to come down more. There it is. Okay, so we can come down because we don't need that extra pipe. So that's good like that. I'm gonna synchronize again and call it a day. Okay, guys, I hope that helped. And again, I'm copying off of the Snowden project that comes with Revit. Okay, just gonna go through it. I'm using it as a guide. So I hope that helped, guys, and I will talk to you guys later.